Hey guys, so this is probably one of my first YouTube videos that I've done in a long time. Wanted to show you guys how to make a very quick pasta dish, simple one, which I call vegan goddess pasta. You start with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and over medium-high heat, I'm going to wait for it to get nice and hot before I finally add a shallot and 6 cloves of garlic. Yes, you heard me correctly. 6 cloves of garlic. Waiting for it to get nice and toasted brown before I add about 8 to 9 button mushrooms that I've sliced up. And once those get nice and brown, I'm also going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper for seasoning. So this is the Vegan Goddess salad dressing that I got from my friends over at Gotham Greens. As you guys know, I'm not a big fan of salad, so I thought I'd use it in my pasta. And here I'm pouring out about 1/4 of the container over my mushrooms, shallots, and my garlic. And I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of crushed tomatoes that I also had on hand for a little bit of acidity. The Vegan Goddess dressing already has some acidity, but I really like the tomatoes. So I'm just going to give that a stir with my wooden spoon so that all the flavors can get married and happy together. Next, I'm going to add my cooked pasta. I'm using a gluten-free fusilli from Jovial, which is my favorite brand of pasta, and I have cooked up the entire box. And as you can see, I'm happy to add a little bit of the pasta water that sort of leaks in. Then I'm going to add another 1/2 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, which is the fat that's going to help bind everything together and just make it delicious. And that is it. A little bit more salt and pepper for taste and seasoning. And we are done with our very simple and delicious Vegan Goddess fusilli. Bon appetit, everybody.